Welcome to our pizza recipe video. Today, we're going to show you how to make delicious homemade pizza from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's make the pizza dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast with 1 1/2 cups of warm water and let it sit for a few minutes until it becomes frothy. Next, add 3 1/2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the mixing bowl. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth dough. Knead the dough on a floured surface for a few minutes until it becomes elastic. Place the dough in a clean bowl and cover it with a towel. Let it rise for about an hour in a warm, draft-free place. Once the dough has risen, flatten it out on a baking sheet, making sure to leave a thicker edge around the perimeter for the crust. Now, it's time to add the toppings. First, spread some tomato sauce on the dough. Then, sprinkle on some shredded mozzarella cheese and add any toppings of your choice, such as mushrooms, peppers, onions, or pepperoni. Finally, bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it. Delicious homemade pizza that's sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!